Since this house has a pool, it has a door alarm so that kids don't go out there unexpectedly. So in order to avoid this sound, this is what you want to do. When you go outside, every time you go outside, we'll wait until that light stops flashing. Okay, every time you go outside, go ahead and push this button, and then you'll open the door. Excuse my positioning. Walk outside. Close the door. So do the same thing to go back in. You have this button right here. Push the button, hold it, open the door, close the door. It's as simple as that. And you can see where the light's flashing. If that light's just randomly flashing, that means your battery's low. But it will flash once it's kind of letting you know that the magnetic bond there has been broken. And that's it.